I'm Pooja Sharma of IBS Intelligence. We are here building a future-ready bank summit in Mumbai. With me is Abdul Wahed Muhammad, Deputy Manager, Partnership at SysArc. Hello, Abdul. How are you liking the event so far?
Hi, a pleasure joining this event. I'm pretty much excited to be a part of this event and to see how the interactions go on. So yeah, fingers crossed. And also pleasure meeting you, Pooja.
It's quite early in the morning as well.
Yes.
Yeah, and the day is looking bright and sunny. So I'll start with how are banks rethinking liability and asset management in the era of real-time digital banking?
So actually there are a lot of expectations from the banks coming up, especially with AI in the buzz at this point in time. When I say about liability, it's more in terms of seamless onboarding and KYC, and also the omnichannel presence right from starting of the onboarding till onboarding of the cash account or onboarding of the customer. Also in terms of personalized engagements, in terms of showcasing the spending alerts. More of AI into how it is being interacted with the customer and how do we do more of cross sales into the liability side and asset side, more into digital lending perspective of how do you manage the post disbursement activities, whether it is NPA or credit monitoring, how do you monitor those accounts and how do you ensure that you kind of recover the NPA assets which are long pending. Also in terms of analyzing the income statements of the borrowers through account aggregate or a bank statement analysis or financial statement analysis, there is a lot of gap over there still. So that's wherein the expectations are from the banks in terms of how do we automate the entire verification process so that there is no manual intervention involved in all these aspects.
Another thing would be, Abdul, what industry trends are driving innovation in the balance sheet optimization and risk management for financial institutions?
So risk management, to answer, I guess, as I already said, NPA and credit monitoring is something wherein you're trying to manage the risk by analyzing the current portfolio of the borrowers through his GST analysis or income statement, so that you have a broader view of how his business is going and whether he'll be able to repay the loans properly on time or not, and if not, what is the way out for ensuring there is a timely collection and there is a no long pending recoveries are there. So I guess through entire automation and through a part of back in the days there were a lot of recovery agents being sent out to the borrower's place and all, but I guess that is slowly minimizing. That's wherein the entire digitizing is coming into picture. So I guess that's the way out. Having credit monitoring tools in place and ensuring there is a right background check done before you're disbursing the loan, I guess that's where we can optimize the risk and ensure there is a efficient disbursal of the loan and onboarding of the borrowers.
As customer expectations evolve, how can liability and asset management solutions support future-ready banking models?
Yeah, so customer expectations keep on evolving because it's more in terms of a less human touch and more of digital touch these days. So I guess that's wherein banks have to step into the picture in terms of how are you engaging your customers or borrowers with your offerings into onboarding them into the your cash accounts, or be it providing them lending loans or anything. So it's more into providing them nudges into what's going on in your bank, how it is exactly personalizing their experience. For example, let's say I have a separate profile and you have a separate profile. There are different patterns of spending we have, there are different interests we have. So that's when personalized experience comes from. And how are you targeting each and of these customers, and how are you verifying the credentials of these customers? So I guess that's how customer expectations are evolving, because if there is something irrelevant which is coming to me, I will not be much interested in taking it up, or there will not be any traction going forward. So that's the way out, I believe.
Thank you so much, Abdul, for your time.